Alright, let's break down something every lab professional needs to know: biosafety cabinets, or BSCs. These are your frontline defense against biological hazards, and understanding their technical details is key to lab safety. Ever wonder why there are different classes? Each class and subclass has unique airflow patterns, filter setups, and protection levels. Let's clear that up so you never get caught guessing which cabinet to use. We'll start with Class 1. Class 1 cabinets pull room air in at a minimum inflow velocity of 75 feet per minute, filter it through a single HEPA filter, and exhaust it safely. They protect you and the environment, but not your samples. These are great for low to moderate risk work. Think basic microbiology, where product protection isn't required. Next, Class 2, the workhorse of most labs. These cabinets protect you, your samples, and the environment, using a combination of inflow and downflow air. Class 2 cabinets are divided into 4 subclasses: A1, A2, B1, and B2. Let's break them down. Class 2. A1 cabinets have a minimum inflow velocity of 75 feet per minute, with about 70% of air recirculated through a HEPA filter, and 30% exhausted. But they don't have negative pressure plenums, so they're not recommended for work with volatile chemicals. Class 2. A2 cabinets are similar, but with a higher inflow velocity, 100 feet per minute, and negative pressure plenums for added safety. About 70% of air is recirculated, 30% is exhausted, and they're suitable for trace amounts of chemicals. Class 2. B1 cabinets have 100 feet per minute inflow, but about 70% of air is exhausted after passing over the work surface, while 30% is recirculated. They're used for work with small amounts of toxic chemicals and radionuclides. Class 2 B2 cabinets are total exhaust, no recirculation. All air is drawn in at 100 feet per minute, passes through HEPA filters, and is exhausted outside. These are for work with hazardous chemicals and radionuclides. The magic of Class 2 cabinets is in the HEPA-filtered downflow air, which keeps your samples clean, while inflow and exhaust protect you and the environment. You'll find these in clinical, diagnostic, and research labs, especially when working with human samples or infectious materials. Now, the big one, Class 3. This is the maximum security vault of biosafety cabinets, used for the most dangerous pathogens. Class 3 cabinets are totally sealed, glove box style, with double HEPA filters on both supply and exhaust. Nothing gets in or out unless it's been filtered or decontaminated. If you're working with the nastiest, most dangerous pathogens, think Ebola or high-level bioterror agents, this is where you're doing it. These are used in BSL-4 labs, which are as high security as it gets. So, quick recap: Class 1 protects you and the lab. Class 2 protects you, your samples, and your lab, with 4 subclasses for different needs. Class 3 is total containment for the most hazardous work. Remember, pick the right BSC for your work. It's not just about following the rules, it's about keeping yourself, your colleagues, and your science safe. Stay sharp in the lab, and never underestimate the power of the right equipment.